Want to know how to change your AI bots in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola.com application or the website. So we have also created a video on how to download it, so make sure to watch that. So once I've done all of that, on the left side, it should be saying various options right here. So in order to change your AI bot, you can just simply search for a different one. So for me right now, I have this image generator, and if you want to change it, just simply select AI bots right here. And now once you selected that, you can see discover bots. So you can just simply search for any bot that you like and select it, and then select start a chat right here. And once that is done, it should be added to chats, and you should start generating and changing the bot. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily change your AI bots to chat with in Dola AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.